Have you ever felt like your emotions were controlling you instead of the other way around? One minute you're calm, the next, angry, hurt, anxious. What if I told you emotional intelligence isn't just a buzzword? It's the secret to taking control of your life, building powerful relationships, and unlocking peak mental performance? This is your ultimate guide to mastering emotional intelligence. Stick with me till the end and change how you handle emotions forever. What is emotional intelligence? Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage your own emotions and influence the emotions of others. It's not about being cold or emotionless. It's about clarity, control, and connection. There are 5 scientifically proven components of high EQ. 1. Self-awareness. Spot your emotions as they arise. 2. Self-regulation. Control your impulses and stay calm under pressure. 3. Motivation. Use emotions to fuel your goals. 4. Empathy. Understand others and connect on a deeper level. 5. Social skills. Communicate effectively and build better relationships. This is the emotional intelligence framework top leaders, performers, and influencers use daily. Why EQ beats IQ? Every time a high IQ might get you in the room, but high EQ keeps you there and gets you respected. Research proves it. 90% of top performers have high emotional intelligence. Why? Because success depends more on how you manage people and pressure than on how smart you are. EQ helps you stay focused under stress, diffuse conflicts with ease, turn criticism into growth, lead with empathy and authority. Without EQ, you can win arguments but lose relationships. With it, you win trust, influence, and real impact. The power of self-awareness. Self-awareness is the foundation of emotional mastery. You can't fix what you don't understand. Ask yourself, what am I feeling right now? What triggered it? Is it real or is it my interpretation? Label the emotion. Naming the emotion is the first step to taking control. Keep a journal. Watch for emotional patterns. Because once you know your triggers, you can stop them from owning you. Manage reactions, not emotions. You can't always choose your emotions, but you can choose your response. Use the 6-second rule. When you feel triggered, pause for 6 seconds. That pause saves relationships, careers, and mental peace. Ask, what do I want from this moment? How can I respond with power, not panic? This is what separates emotional victims from emotional leaders. Empathy builds influence. Empathy is your ability to connect, not correct. It's listening to understand, not to reply. Empathy helps you build trust fast, connect beyond words, influence with compassion. When you show people they matter, you become magnetic. People want to follow leaders who make them feel seen. Train your emotional intelligence. Daily emotional intelligence is like a muscle. Train it and it grows. Practice daily. Pause before reacting. Label your emotions. Communicate clearly. Listen without interrupting. Respect your emotional boundaries. Each step builds emotional strength. Each moment of awareness rewires your brain for clarity and control. Mastering your emotions is the ultimate freedom. When you control how you feel, you control how you live. You stop reacting. You start leading. You become unshakable. So ask yourself, are you letting emotions run your life? Or are you ready to take the wheel? Hit like if this opened your eyes. Subscribe for the next level of psychological mastery. Drop a comment. What emotion do you want to master first? Because this isn't the end of your journey. It's just the beginning.